This is the Google Nest Wired Video Doorbell, and this is the smaller version of the battery-powered one and the upgrade for the Nest Hello, or is it? Let's find out. Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we are going to review the Google Nest Wired Video Doorbell, the second generation. We'll check out its features, quick unboxing, install, setup, and check out its video and audio quality, and run our usual video doorbell tests, and see if this replacement for the Nest Hello, the Google Nest Wired Video Doorbell, is going to be a good option for your home. I'm also going to do a quick comparison of this doorbell to the Nest Hello, which it is replacing, and also its bigger brother, the battery-powered Google Nest Video Doorbell. Let's check out its features. This is the wired and the smaller version of Nest's battery-powered doorbell, and basically has the same features, and there is really nothing notable. It has AI intelligent alerts, person, package, animals, or vehicles detection, and with subscription, you also get the familiar face or facial recognition. And as to specific specs, just like its bigger brother, this video doorbell records in 3:4 aspect ratio, 960 by 1280 pixel resolution at 30 frames per second, and with HDR. The Nest Hello, or the first gen wired doorbell that it is replacing, has higher resolution. But Nest cameras have decent video quality though, including this one, which you will see more later on, so I'm not really going to ding them for that. Its field of view is 145 degrees diagonal, and it connects to your Wi-Fi in both 2.4 and 5 GHz. And because this is wired, it needs to connect to your existing doorbell wires, and with your doorbell transformer outputting 16 to 24 volt AC and 12 volt amps. This will also chime your existing doorbell chime and your Google Assistant enabled speakers and displays. This is also weather resistant with an IP54 rating. And just like Ring, it has theft replacement guarantee. Now, just like new Nest cameras, this will only connect to the Google Home app and not the Nest app. Even without monthly subscription, you get 3 hours of event video history. You will get motion clips within the past 3 hours. You'll get all the features except for the facial recognition and sound detection. If you want to subscribe, Nest actually has the cheapest subscription because for motion events of up to 30 days, it is only $6 a month or $60 a year for all your Nest cameras. And if you want 24/7 recording for up to 10 days, there is the Nest Aware Plus for $12 a month or $120 a year. And this is the one that separates Nest from its competitors, the 24/7 recording to the cloud. But be aware, the more Nest cameras you choose to have 24/7 recording, the more bandwidth that you're going to use, and your internet provider doesn't really like that. Inside the box, we got the doorbell itself, and I got the white one. It comes in different colors. It is matted, and we have the camera lens, status light, and the mic. And we have the doorbell button. On the back, we have the 2 terminal screws, and we have these 2 round tabs to connect to the mounting bracket. On top, we have a hex security screw to lock it onto the mount. And on the bottom, we have the speaker. What else is inside the box? We have some paperwork and the Let's Get Started guide that you will need to scan the QR code later on. We have a metal mounting bracket, mounting screws and plastic anchors. We have some spacers and wire connectors. We have a hex wrench, which looks fancy and not a generic looking one. And we have a 20-degree angled wedge. And we have the chime adapter that we need to install in our existing doorbell chime. Now, this is smaller than the battery-powered version. As to differences, aside from the obvious, the wired version has the 2-second preview and extended clips. In my testing though, it is more than 2 seconds. It is more like 6 seconds, which is a good thing. You will not miss any motion events. And the wired one can record 24/7 with the Nest Aware Plus subscription, and the battery-powered one is not able to do this. And all other features are the same. This is a little bit bigger than the Nest Hello or the first gen wired video doorbell. For quick comparison of the specs, the notable one is the resolution. The Nest Hello records in 4:3 aspect ratio, 1600 by 1200 pixel resolution up to 30 FPS, and has a wider 160-degree diagonal field of view. The Nest Hello also uses the Nest app instead of the convoluted Google Home app. And with the Nest app and older Nest cameras, you can access them via the web or browser, but not with your cameras connected to the Google Home app. But they're currently updating and will add this feature soon. And if you're planning to replace your older Nest Hello with the second gen wired video doorbell, the mounting screw holes are the same, so you don't have to drill new holes, which is good. Time to install this. Open up your chime box, loosen the trans or transformer screw, put in either one of the wires from the adapter, and screw it back in. Then unscrew the front terminal and screw in the other wire. Peel off the backing of the mounting tape on the adapter, and you can stick it on the side of your chime box and put the cover back in. Time to install the doorbell outside. Pull the doorbell wires through the middle hole of the bracket, then screw it in using the 2 included screws. Screw in either one of the 2 wires on one of the terminals on the back of the doorbell, and screw it in tight. And the same thing with the second wire. Align the round disc tabs of the doorbell to the corresponding holes in the bracket. Push it in and pull down to latch it in place. Then tighten the hex screw to secure it. Time to set this up. Open up the Google Home app. Click the plus sign on the upper left corner. Click Set up a device. New devices. What are you setting up? Choose Doorbell. Nest Wired 2nd Gen. Now, because the doorbell is already mounted, you can use the setup guide which has the QR code on it that you need to scan. Click Continue. Then just follow the app until you get to the Wi-Fi connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network and click Next. Wait until it is connected. Name the doorbell and wait a few more and you will see the live view. A quick check on these settings in the app. When you open up the Google Home app, you will get to the main app page, which you know it has a lot of other stuff on it, not just cameras. Click on the cameras to get to the doorbell and I have it down here. And because it is wired, it is already showing the live view. Click on it to get to the main doorbell page. You can start two-way talk, which is full duplex. Click on history to get to the timeline, and you can scrub left or right to the events that you want to see. And you can download the footage to your phone from here. And when you click on more, you get the quiet time and quick responses, and you have 3 preset ones to choose from.
Hi there, you can just leave it. Thanks. Just a sec, we'll be right there. Hi there, no one can answer the door right now. We'll be notified you stopped by.
Click on the gear icon to get to the settings. We have notifications where you can turn on push notifications, which I have selected when the camera sees people, packages, and animals. You also have vehicles and other motion to choose from. And as to events, and this is what the camera will record. You can set activity zones, and you can toggle on and off here what the camera records and which one you also want to be notified about. Then we have the doorbell, and you can have your Google Assistant speakers to announce and chime when someone presses the doorbell. You can also toggle if you want your existing chime to chime when the doorbell is pushed. We have video settings, change quality, max or high, night vision, always on, auto or off, and status light brightness. Then we have audio settings. And that's it. Time to do some testing. So this is the video and audio quality of the Nest Wired Video Doorbell. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Nest Wired Video Doorbell at night. And this no lights, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 infrared LEDs turned on. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Google Nest Wired Video Doorbell at night. And this with my front porch lights on. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. We are going to test the motion alert notification speed of the Nest Wired Video Doorbell. And I'm on my LTE connection and it's 229. I also have the facial recognition turned on, but I'm not added yet. So we'll see. That's pretty quick. Person seen, and when you click on hold, you'll get like a GIF preview. And when you click on it, it should go to live view. Cool. 229. Alright, it's 2:30, and the notification earlier it turned to unfamiliar face seen aside from instead of the person detected. So let's see what the notification cool off of the Nest Wired Doorbell. Nope. Just a minute ago. And yeah, this is the issue with the Nest. No, it has a cool off. Doorbell push to notification speed. There's my dog. There you go. I got that, and when you click on that, it should go to live view. There you go. Hello, can I help you? Hello, can I help you?
Is LifeHackster here?
Is LifeHackster here?
Sorry he's not here right now. You want to leave a message? Sorry he's not here right now. You want to leave a message?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hello, can I help you?
Is LifeHackster here?
Sorry he's not here right now. You want to leave a message?
No, thank you.
By the way, one cool thing with the Nest Doorbell, just like Ring doorbells with their Echo Show, with a Google Hub, if someone pushes the doorbell, it will automatically load up the live view and you can start two-way talk. Let's talk about notifications on Nest cameras. You'll just get a generic notification tone from your phone when motion is detected and when somebody pushes the doorbell. No custom sound or chime, which at least the Nest Hello have. There is no option in the Google Home app to change or even offer customized tone options. As to the notification cool-off, I can't really pinpoint how long the cool-off is, but there is. I used to think it is about 5 minutes, but on this doorbell, it still didn't give me the second notification after 5 minutes after I was out of the camera's field of view. Alright, so it is 1:52, so it's been about 5 minutes since the last time that I was in the field of view of the camera. So let's check out again. I think the cool-off is 5 minutes or probably more now. What the heck? Still no notification. I thought it was 5 minutes. So I'm not really sure, but sometimes it does send another notification just after less than a minute. This is an area that Google or Nest Cam can improve on, and this is my main gripe about the Nest system. And I'm glad that they improved the notification speed, because before that was my main complaint. Video quality is pretty good though for what the resolution is, and better than other video doorbells that have higher resolution. It is the compression that they use, and the 30 frames per second has something to do with it. I also like that this doorbell can record 24/7 with the Nest Aware Plus subscription. That even with $12 a month for 24/7 recording to the cloud for 10 days, technically but not practical for all your Nest cameras, I think that is a pretty good price. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.